All right, so let's test our add-on. The first thing we'll do is we go to extension and access our sidebar from option here. For the first time, we will require an authorization. Please go ahead and authorize. So do not worry about this. This is just a warning that it's an unpublished or privately used add-on. So go unsafe. Continue and review these scopes if you want to. You can get more information from here. So let's allow this. All right. Okay, so this is the admin menu. This is just for the visibility. Okay, what's left, and so from the drop down we get the different menus. So let's try to set up our credentials. Alright, do this. Let's update. Okay, our API credentials have been added, and now I mean, you would see that there's no button appearing for us to access the tool. You, yeah, let's accept the privacy policy. So this is how the pop-up opens, and you will type accept here, okay, and it should be accepted. Yeah. So now we have access to the tool. You can also go ahead and reset the credentials. Let's do that as well. So when we reset, the button disappears, there's a cross, so it means that we need to reset like add the keys and URL again. So we go ahead and do that again, and now we have access to the tool here again. Let's go to the tool. So this is how it looks. Um, so these are, I mean, there was just one source, and we have dates here. This is just one thing that I think we need to discuss more about because there was a little space here and there was not enough room. We'll discuss it. So these are default dates that I have given, and these are the outputs. So let's try to pull the data. Okay, and the data is here with the proper formatting, I suppose. Let me know if there's any issues. For example, if we try to pull again the same, you should get a message, an alert saying the data already exists on this sheet at the same location, meaning that the same starting position. Update data anyway will update, clearing the previous data and update again. Otherwise, no means just to disregard this request. For example, if you want to do this here again, so what would happen is it will again give you a warning, but this time a different warning saying that data already exists on sheet 19, like for this sheet, at a different row and column. Proceed anyway. Proceeding anyway will mean that it will remove from previous and start from here. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Also, the create new raw data sheet will add a new sheet and update the data from column A1. I hope it makes sense. Let me know your feedback.